Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lingua Bridge Coach. A day in the life English vocabulary. Morning routine. Wake up. I woke up to the sound of my alarm clock buzzing at 6 a.m. Personal hygiene. After brushing my teeth with toothpaste, I took a quick shower and dried off with a towel. Getting dressed, I ironed my shirt before choosing an outfit from the wardrobe. Breakfast. Meal time. For breakfast, I had a bowl of cereal and a slice of toast with my morning coffee. Kitchen utensils. I used a knife and fork to butter my toast, and the kettle to boil water for tea. Commute. Transportation. I caught the bus at the bus stop and paid the fare with my transit card. Directions. At the intersection, I turned left and walked straight ahead to my office building. Work school. Workspace. Elle organized the files on my desk and turned on my computer to start work. Meeting. During the meeting, we followed the agenda and took notes for the minutes. Tasks. I had to finish my report before the deadline, so I spent the afternoon focused on that project. Lunch break. Dining out. I ordered a salad from the menu, and the waiter brought the bill after we finished eating. Packed lunch. I packed a sandwich and some snacks in a container for lunch at the office. Afternoon routine. Productivity. Our team spent the afternoon brainstorming ideas for the new project. Communication. I replied to emails and answered a phone call from a client during the afternoon. Evening. Relaxation. After a long day, I like to unwind by watching television or reading a book. Dinner. I followed a recipe to cook dinner, using the stove and some fresh ingredients. Chores. After dinner, I did the dishes and vacuumed the living room to tidy up. Night routines. Preparation for bed. Before bed, I put on my pajamas, brushed my teeth, and set the alarm clock for the next day. Sleep. I curled up under the blanket, ready for a good night's sleep. Try using these sentences in your next conversation, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips.